Sasquatch here. We'll call this the first of a series on using LED strip. Today it's in Resolume. Tools I recommend are a power strip, electrical snips, a driver, and a decent pair of wire strippers. I'm not going to deep dive into wiring on this one. Follow your LED tape manufacturer recommendations for best result. Next, we have a USB Ethernet adapter plugged into the Mac. It's going to my Intech Octo, and I'm going to verify its network settings now. Next, we're going to open up Resolume preferences and make sure DMX is sending on the correct Ethernet output port from the Mac. You can see that it's red when we opened it. We're going to use the drop-down menu and select the appropriate Ethernet output. To verify, open your system settings and make sure the name is the same. We are good to go. Now we're going to open the advanced output and create a new mapping. Use the drop down to create a new Lumiverse, and for this example, I'm just going to use broadcast. Normally I would use the static IP address for this device. We don't have to do that here because this is the only device I have plugged into that port. After that, we need to add a DMX fixture. I'm just going to use my preset for an entire universe, which is 170 RGB pixels. I'm going to scale it in the advanced output window so that it occupies almost the entire output. This is just for testing, so I don't need to be exact with my mapping. You'll see when I run my test sequence, the strip instantly comes on, but the color looks a little funny. Let's see if we can fix that. First thing we're going to do is drop a solid color. It defaults to red output values. Now we're going to jump back into the advanced output window and go to the fixture address area. Select the cog to open the fixture editor, and from here, I'll edit my preset fixture profile. Using the drop-down menu, try different color orders until you see red. You might get lucky like me and not have to change it again. If your manufacturer documentation doesn't tell you color order, use process of elimination. Now we're going to open up the color mixer to see if we actually have true RGB values sending in the correct color order. I'm going to do some color mixing just to get a good test in. I see RGB mixing now, and I for sure know that we're working, and I can rerun my test sequence. Looks solid to me. I hope this helps someone. Happy creating.